Hi boys and girls, I'm reading the book Zinnia's Flower Garden by Monica Wellington. Her name starts with the letter Z because we're studying Z this week. Spring has arrived. Zinnia is getting her garden ready for planting. She digs up the soil and turns it over with her shovel. Here's the shovel. She takes out stones and rakes the dirt smooth. The warm sun feels good as she works. Zinnia carefully plants many kinds of flower seeds in rows. She covers the seeds with dirt and pats it all down very gently. She sprinkles the ground with water. Here's the packets of the seeds and what the different seeds look like. And she's written in her journal, May 3rd, very busy, planting my seeds today. Such hard work. She's got some helpers in the garden. Here's sunflowers. Zinnia waits for the seeds to sprout. The seeds need the sun to shine, the rain to fall, and many days to pass. It is hard to wait so long for her seeds to grow. May 12th, rain all day, ugh, but it is good for my garden. Here are the different kinds of clouds: nimbus, cirrus, cumulus, and stratus. Every day, Zinnia checks her garden to see if anything has happened. Look, the first seedling is poking out up through the dirt. Here's the stages of germination. The seed and a little bitty sprout, the roots are coming down and the plant's growing up. May 20th, my first sprout today. Wow. Now Zinnia's garden is full of green sprouts growing toward the sun. Little stems grow taller, little leaves get bigger, little roots burrow deeper into the earth. So sunflowers, zinnias, cosmos, and asters. And her journal says, May 29th, lots of sprouts now. I can't even count them all. She looks very happy. Zinnia takes care of her garden every day. When the sun is hot and the soil is dry, she waters her thirsty plants. Does anybody know what this is called? A watering can. And here's a couple of different kinds of sprinklers. This one, and this one. Here's her journal, June 17th. No rain for a week. My garden is so dry. She pulls up pesky weeds. Here's a weed that try to crowd out her plants. She inspects them for greedy bugs. She measures how tall her strong and healthy plants are growing. Every day they get bigger and bigger. Here's her ruler that she's using to measure. Here's her journal, July 7th. My sunflower plants are so tall. I hate weeds. You know, if you let the weeds go long enough, they will take out all your good plants. They take over the garden. First thing in the morning, Zinnia runs out to check her garden. She is excited to see little buds growing on many of her plants. So you can see the little buds starting to grow. And here we have Raven found some butterfly eggs that turned into a caterpillar. The chrysalis, the adult coming out of the cocoon or chrysalis and ready to fly. Her journal says, July 18th, my zinnias have buds. I wonder what color they are going to be. And then at last she finds what she has been waiting for, the first flower. One bud has bloomed. How beautiful. And what a sweet smell. There are many more buds that will open soon. And these are the parts of the plant right here. got a whole lot of different ones. We usually talk about the stem and the leaves and the flower. July 25th, my first flower today, and lots more to come. Amazing. A big monarch butterfly landed on my finger. And this is a zinnia, just like her name. The garden grows, and grows with blossoming flowers. Zinnia paints, reads, and picnics among them. Butterflies flutter, bees buzz. Zinnia's garden is her favorite place to be on these warm summer days. Here she is painting and reading. August 11th, I love my garden. It's beautiful. Her flowers are abundant. Abundant means there are many of them. And Zinnia cuts some to arrange into bouquets. Look at her bouquet right here. The fragrant scents of the flowers swirl around her in the warm breeze. August 21st, my sunflowers are taller than I am. And then they've labeled a whole bunch of different kinds of flowers here. Aster, Sweet William, Sweet Pea, Black-Eyed Susan, Zinnias, Snapdragons, Sunflowers, Marigold, and Cosmos. I know some of you are gardening, so maybe you can try some of these flowers. One hot summer day, Zinnia has a lemonade stand and puts up a sign, pick your own flowers. Customers come and gather bunches of flowers and drop money in her jar. It says, pick your own flowers, lemonade for sale. He's got some money. August 28th, busy today at my stand. Everyone loves my flowers. Don't forget to smell the flowers. And up here, we haven't started money yet, but some of you, I know, already know this. 4 quarters equal $1, 20 nickels equal $1, and 10 dimes equal $1. And we'll talk about that a little later on. Look at all of her money. Maybe she's saving for something special. In the autumn, as it gets colder, Zinnia picks the last flowers from her garden. She finds ripe seeds that have formed. They are ready to be collected. She will save them to plant next year. October 13th, lots of seeds. I'll leave some for the birds. But here you can see under her magnifying glass, she's collecting her seeds. And this is the flower kind of falling apart, how it wilts from flower to seed. Here it is flower, and it's falling, and then the seeds come out of the center. The winter days are short. The sun is dim, and the ground is covered with snow. But Zinnia is already planning next year's garden. When spring comes, she will be ready to grow her very own flowers again. So here we have spring, early summer, midsummer, late summer, autumn, that's where the seeds are falling, and winter, no plants. Here she is planting her garden. December 27th, I can't wait until spring. And here it's telling you how to grow your own flowers and to keep a journal if you're going to do that. So there you go. That was Zinnia's Flower Garden by Monica Wellington. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.